one sheet pan enchilada all in one place. Super easy, super budget friendly. So let's go get cooking together. I already have my oven preheated to 450 degrees. The first thing we need to do is we need to chop an onion. We need about a half of a medium onion. And I'm also going to add, it was supposed to be a poblano pepper, but somehow Instacart got me a jalapeno. We need 1 cup of enchilada sauce. Of course, we're going to use, I think it's like the whole can, but all right. Some garlic. So 1 can of Southwestern-style corn. Now we're going to add this. We need 2 tablespoons of the Chipotle Rub right here. Let's get this chicken out. 2 cups of chicken. The only thing I did to the chicken is I just put it in the oven on 375. A little bit of olive oil and a little bit of salt and our everything but the taco seasoning. And the last step, I believe, is some cheese. We're going to brush the bottom with some oil. More enchilada sauce on the bottom. We need some cheese. Okay, so now we fold this over here. Like that. 1 more for the middle here. And then we're going to brush this with a little bit more enchilada sauce. Cover it up with some more cheese. This is going to go in the oven for 7 to 9 minutes or until golden brown.